Really?
What's up?
It's recording, you know. It's gonna be on YouTube, whatever you say.
Alright. Bombs don't hear what I'm saying. Who cares? Ow! Ow! What the heck? We're starting, dude.
It derailed. It derailed. It disconnected. Stop touching things.
Sorry, dude. I'm trying to.
I want them as close as where they are.
Sorry. What the?
The house is not level.
Are you kidding me? Or there's just the boards are not level. Stay over there. Thank you. Disconnect. We have a runaway train. Runaway train. Hold up.
The camera saw that.
Sorry, people. That was we had a major malfunction. That goes on YouTube too.
Yep.
Wow. What? Impossible.
Yes.
Sorry, Sue.
Yeah, that's gonna go on YouTube. It's recording now.
Wait, all this whole time?
Yep. The train's barely not hitting the camcorder. Wait, stop.
Sorry. 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 I'll make sure doesn't go down on me.
That's right. That's why I'm going slow.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, whoops.
I'm in the plane.
Oh. Sorry, that's it.
It won't go.
How many times going?
It won't go. Push it. I said push it. Oh, something derailed. Please stand by. The train will be moving shortly.
Yeah, so. Hold up, wait. Yeah, hold up, hold up, I got the problem. Nope.
Oh.
Oh, snap. Easy! The whole thing's derailed. Wait. Check on that one and check on this one. Okay.
Please stand by.
Yeah, here we go. And this last one here.
But you don't know how to fix a train.
No, backwards. Everything's derailed in the back.
Yeah, just let me do this with myself. The camera's still recording, and I'm not gonna wait. I'm not gonna wait forever. Today, okay.
Nerd on the crib, boy.
When you stop messing with the camera,
I'm not.
Really? You want to bet?
Yeah, I'm not. I bet.
Well, the camera just saw you in your underwear. Here it comes. Well, part of it. But I don't really care.
Done. Oh, get it. Do you have to get? Someone's doing it.
Don't put a truck in it.
What? Where's the rest of that? Where's the rest of that?
It's back there.
The ball separated. Look.
Whoa, whoa. Your foot's in the way. Stop.
Sorry.
And we lost another one back here.
What the? Oh.